Hi my loves, what is up? My name is Heidi and I'm here with an Ipsy unbagging and boxing video. I just got my Ipsy today. I live in Canada, so I pay like 20 bucks per month, I want to say. I have a link down below if you want to sign up for Ipsy to get it yourself, if you live in the States or Canada. So you can click on that link and use it. So I'm really curious to see what's in this bag today because it is super light. I've never gotten a bag this light. So I'm kind of like, did they forget to give me stuff? Yeah, I'm really confused. Oh my god. I love the bag. It's open, which is weird, but I love the bag. That's like one of the cutest bags I've ever gotten. I love like anything with the makeup lashes. They're so cute, and it's like gold at the bottom. This is the little card that comes every month, sometimes with a theme. Okay, there are 5 things in here. So the first thing I got is City Limits Lush Eyeshadow. The brand is IB Beauty or I Buy Beauty in the color Fire and Ice. So this is cruelty free, highly pigmented. So that is the holographic packaging. Ooh, very pretty. Holographic and pigmented. I will swatch that for you. Focus. It's really pretty. I'm just kind of confused about the color. I don't know if that's a color I will use. I feel like it's a color that'll make me kind of look sick. I don't know, it's just not a very pretty color, but it is super pigmented. So I don't know, I will try that out, I guess. Next is a brush by Luxie. So it's a detailed tapered blender brush. I've gotten a bunch of brushes by Luxie and I actually really like them. They're really good to blend. Very tapered. I like that actually. I don't have any tapered brushes like this. So this will be a different one to add to my collection, and it's super thick, tons of bristles, feels good. These Luxie brushes are really good. Next is a cheek blush by Deuce, color 61 RSVP by Deuce Cosmetics. The blush has some sparkle, which I don't like. I like everything matte. I don't like blush or bronzer with sparkle. And it comes in like this packaging, so it doesn't have its own compact. Like it's just the magnetic thing, which is cool if you have a magnetic pan, but I don't. But because it has sparkle in it, I probably won't use it, so I will probably just hand this over to someone else. My mom, she'll like that color. So I wasn't a really big fan of that. Ooh, and also I wanted to show you the inside of the bag. It's hot pink and it has this really cute tag here that says rules were made to be broken. Love that. This is actually one, I really like this bag. I'm gonna keep it. Next is something by, this has really nice packaging. 1 Skin Harley St. London Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. Use day and night, so it's like an eye gel. I love this. Any kind of skin products for the eyes, I am a huge fan of. So it's like a little pump like this and the gel just comes out. So I will definitely try this out. I like this. And the last thing, oh my god. I've gotten so many things by this company, Trace. It's always the same packaging. I'm not a big fan. Like, I have like 4 or 5 of these and the idea is cool, like these mini things, but they're not for me. So this is a mini lip glaze in the color Mumbai Magenta. Yeah, this is a pretty color, but it's just not a color I use anymore. Back in the day I used to. I will probably give this to someone as well. I can't see myself using this. This bag was really disappointing. It's always hit or miss. Like one week you get something good, the other one you don't. The only things I liked from this bag was the skin gel and the Luxie brush. These are 2 things I will definitely use, and the rest is just like, I don't know, this color ain't for me. I'm thinking of canceling. I've done Ipsy for a long time, probably 3 years or more. I'm looking into trying other beauty subscriptions, so if you guys have any ideas, you can put them down in the comments for moi. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next video. Bye! XOXO!